Next, the question is diverging lens of focal length f is cut into two identical parts and each forming a plano concave lens. What is the focal length of each part? First, the diagram. Let this is the concave lens having focal length f, and then the lens is cut into two identical parts. So it forms two plano concave lens. This is one part and this is another part. Clear? So then how the focal length changes? Given f focal length of concave lens, and we know lens maker's formula. What is lens maker's formula? 1 divided by f, that is equals to mu minus 1 multiplied by 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2, where f is the focal length of the lens, mu is the refractive index of the material in which the lens is made, r1 the refractive index for the first surface, r2 that is the refractive index of the second surface. And we know for concave lens, this is the first surface for which the radius of curvature r1 will be negative by using sign convention. R1 will be lies in this side left to the pole, so this will be negative. R1 is equals to minus r and R2 is equals to r. R2 will lies in this side right to the pole, so this will be positive. So by using these two value into this formula, 1 divided by f will be equals to mu minus 1 multiplied by value of r1 is minus r. So this is minus 1 divided by r and this is r minus 1 divided by r. So this is equals to mu minus 1 into minus 2 divided by r. Then 1 divided by f, that is equals to minus 2 mu minus 1 divided by r. Then focal length f will be equals to minus r divided by 2 into mu minus 1. This is the focal length of the concave lens. Then the concave lens is cut into two equal parts. When it cut into two equal parts, you find two plano concave lens, and you know for this surface the radius of curvature will be negative. That means r1 that will be equals to minus r, and for this surface, as it is a plane surface and you know the plane surface having radius of curvature infinity, r2 will be infinity, and again for this surface r1 will be minus r and r2 will be infinite. So you can write, when cut into two equal parts, r1 is equals to minus r and r2 will be infinity. Then you have to use this formula, lens maker's formula, that implies Let f1 is the focal length of first surface and f2 is the focal length of for second part, and they are equal. So you can write f1 1 divided by f1, that is equals to 1 divided by f2. The formula is mu minus 1 into 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2, that is equals to mu minus 1 multiplied by value of r1 is minus r. So that is minus 1 divided by r minus 1 divided by infinity, and value of infinity is 1 divided by infinity is 0. So that implies 1 divided by f1, that is equals to 1 divided by f2, that is equals to minus mu minus 1 divided by r. That implies f1 is equals to f2 will be equals to minus r divided by 2 into, sorry, this is mu minus 1, and given f is equals to, and f is equals to minus r divided by 2 into mu minus 1, that is equals to f1 divided by 2 or f2 divided by 2. So what is the relation? That implies f1 or f2, that is equals to 2f. This is the relation. That means when a concave lens is cut into two equal parts, then the focal length of each part will be twice of the focal length of the concave lens. Clear? This is the answer.